What is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades, back with another banger. You feel me? I'm switching it up for you guys. I'm trying to put a little bit more content out there. But yeah, long story short, I'm gonna go over probably the areas where I'd be looking to take trades next week. But Monday, mostly, I will say that I'm gonna wait for some price action to form, since, as you guys can see here, this is the S&P 500 SPY. We are at all-time highs, so we are in a bull market. Bull market is confirmed. So what you really want to be looking for is pullbacks. So let's go ahead and start charting this bad boy out. So we just broke recent highs. You could just mark that out. Boom. Around that 610, 611 area. So what I'd be looking for is some form of a pullback. Let's mark out these highs. Let's mark that out. Now we're in the hourly. This thing does look like it wants to pull back. Let me see if I can find another level on my 4-hour time frame here. This will probably be a decent trade area. There's definitely buyers in that area, but I need price action to confirm. You see how I move down time frames and it's just holding like that? Once you just start charting for so long, it's just so easy to spot things. But yeah, I'd basically be looking for either a fail of the 612.71 to pull back to the 611 to 610 key area to hold. Something like that for the whole and reclaim to go long. Since we're at all-time highs, it's not really much. I wouldn't really be trying to short this unless the intraday was short. Basically meaning like, yeah, we're in a bull market, but the intraday prices, we've been shorting all day. We've been pulling back all day. And I need to see some strong confirmation in volume, and on pullbacks with green candlesticks, I need to see lowering volume to confirm that, for that day, shorts are the move. That's the only way I'd be taking shorts. And for shorts per se, I'd need the break under with the retest. Or only really on this level. This is the only level I'd be liking to take shorts, around this 612 at the level. 612.71 key area. Let's move to QQQ. Oops, video. Same thing with the NASDAQ. I already got that one marked out. So we just broke all-time highs at that 540 area. As you can see, the daily, then boom, the pullback, and then the breakout. Let's mark these highs real quick. Alright, so I'm seeing two levels on QQQ. It's 544 to 546 that I'm seeing that could possibly, be a holder. Yep. See, my levels be hitting, bro. Like, obviously nothing's 100%, but I know what I'm doing. That's how you know it's just psychology. You just gotta work on that, just managing your risk and things of that nature. And yeah, the rest gonna fall in place. Just people need to stop worrying about how long it's gonna take. Fuck how long it's gonna take. Just keep doing it. And I will be able to, I can confirm, and people that watch me will be able to confirm that this is the real journey. I'm not popping up on YouTube with already Lamborghinis and McLarens and all this shit. you know, already at the top. Like, nah, y'all seeing me from the ground up, bruh. Like, for real. You know, and I appreciate all my subscribers that do watch and that do tune in. You feel me? Cause watch, just watch. Just watch. That's all I'm gonna say. Just watch. Just keep tuning in. You gonna see. Cause I'm not gonna stop anyway. But anyway, as far as the NASDAQ QQQ, I'd be, damn. I definitely gotta wait for a pullback on the NASDAQ. I gotta wait for a pullback to this 546 because it looks like it wants to pull back anyway from the price action that we're getting. Because it kind of dumped, you know, towards the end of the day, you know, reclaimed with some buyers probably buying. That's probably long shares and probably gonna pull back, you know, for some more long opportunities. And like I said, I'm not against shorts. It's just I don't like shorting near all-time highs. But like I said, if intraday price action presents itself, of course I'm going to short. I'm not going to be all nervous. No, I'm going to execute my strategy. Risk managed accordingly. Win or lose, doesn't matter. We keep going, no matter what. So, but yeah. But I'm not gonna make this a truly long video. It's not really much, you know, because I'm trading futures. So MES and MNQ is my main trades. MYM I'm starting to get into, and M2K I'm starting to get into, which is the Dow. But yeah, so I'm trying to start getting into other indices when SPY and QQQ are pretty stagnant and choppy. But when SPY and QQQ are stagnant and choppy, usually the other indices are too. So I'm also trying to get into gold at the same time. You know, if they have micro golds, I'm gonna trade those. But yeah, I'm just building myself. I'm not trying to, you know, I will be able to make those $1,000 days and stuff again. But right now, I'm just building my small account up, trying to get these payouts, man. There's no rush, because, you know, this is a numbers game. Once you start doing this long enough, and then, you know, you start gaining some experience, you understand this is a numbers game. It's not about who makes the most money the fastest. It's about who can steadily grow their account safely the longest. That's how you build a cushion to scale up, and that's, you know, what I'm trying to do. But yeah. So confirmed, we are in the bull market. I just want to let everybody know we are in that bull market. But let's go over some news that we have coming out next week. Don't really have anything on Monday, July 1st. Got nothing that's going to shake the market up, you know, honestly. Initial jobless claims is what I like to see, and that's Thursday. So at the beginning of the week, I'm really taking it slow. I'm not going to be rushing anything. I'm not even going to be going 6 contracts like my full size. Or when I'm real confident, 9 contracts. Only 3. Just to, you know, start off the week slow, you know, gain knowledge of the direction market might want to go for the week. Gain some insight, you know, just by watching. That's all you got to do sometimes. Just watch. Trading is mostly just sitting on your hands and then executing, and then sitting on your hands again while you manage. And Friday, we don't have anything Friday. But yeah, you know, I'm going to keep it short and sweet, you know what I mean? But I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. It don't cost nothing to you. It's completely free. It's completely free now, you know? I ain't even going to charge you to hit it. You found me. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.